Is snoring more common as you age? Have you ever wondered if snoring becomes more common as we get older? This is a question many people have, and the answer is quite interesting. Snoring is a sound that happens when air flows past relaxed tissues in the throat, causing those tissues to vibrate. This can occur for various reasons, and it is often one of the first signs of sleep apnea, a disorder where breathing stops and starts during sleep. Research indicates that snoring does indeed become more common as people age. The likelihood of snoring increases significantly in middle-aged and older adults. Why does this happen? As we age, our bodies undergo several changes. For instance, muscle tone in the throat decreases, and fat deposits around the neck can increase. These changes can make the airway more likely to collapse or become blocked while we sleep, leading to snoring and potentially sleep apnea. Interestingly, snoring is more prevalent in men compared to women. However, both genders experience an increase in snoring as they age. Additionally, a higher body mass index can contribute to snoring, but age itself is a significant factor. Large population studies have documented the connection between age and snoring, showing that it is a common issue among older adults. In relation to sleep apnea, snoring is not just an annoying sound. It can signal a more serious condition. As people age, the risk of developing obstructive sleep apnea, the most common type of sleep apnea, also rises. This condition occurs when throat muscles relax and block the airway during sleep. While the risk of obstructive sleep apnea tends to increase through middle age, it may level off or slightly decline in the elderly. However, snoring often remains a common issue. For those worried about snoring and sleep apnea, it is essential to pay attention to changes in sleep quality, daytime sleepiness, and the frequency of snoring. If snoring is accompanied by pauses in breathing or gasping for air, it is crucial to consult a healthcare provider. They can evaluate your situation and recommend sleep apnea testing if necessary. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent complications and improve overall health. In summary, snoring does become more common as you age, and this increase is closely linked to the risk of sleep apnea. Understanding this relationship can help you recognize when snoring might indicate a more serious sleep disorder and encourage you to seek appropriate care.